Hello everyone, I'm Mdm Masayu. I'm the Vice Principal of the school. I hope that you have tried the quiz on our website, and I am here to help you make sense of it so that you can decide for yourself whether the school of your choice has programs to grow your gifts. Now, most schools have at least 2 programs for various areas. There are programs for all students to help you try out new fields and determine whether it is something that you are interested in, for example, environmental conservation. There are also programs to stretch selected students who are more interested in specific areas, for example, programs to stretch students who excel in science research. These students may have the opportunity for attachments to Institute of Higher Learning or even work attachment to industries. Let's focus on your quiz report. You will see 3 categories: strong interest, some interest, and more exposure. Look at the areas that you have strong interest in. For example, some of you may have results that indicate strong interest in sports. If you do look for schools that cater for your interests, for example, in Woodlands Secondary School, we have a strong sepak takraw program. Other schools will offer a variety of other distinctive programs that meets your strong interest too. Now, look at the areas that you may have some interest in. These are areas that you may want to explore to decide whether it is something that you may grow to love. For examples, some schools provide excellent food science program which you may not have tried before, but may grow to love it as a possible career as a chef. These programs are also indicated as elective or Tier 1 programs for some schools. Lastly, your quiz report may also indicate some areas which indicate that you might need more exposure. These are areas that you may have never explored, but given the opportunity, you may grow to like it. For example, you may not have explored drama and debates in primary school, but it is offered in some schools as a distinct program that allows you to have exposure or even specialize in it. Just imagine you can be the next big thing on Channel 5 in the future. I hope that this helps you better understand your quiz results. I would like to encourage that you click on the links to find out more about the different areas so that you can better gauge if these are areas that you may want to develop in your chosen secondary school. My teachers will be able to explain to you why certain questions and options suggest that you may have strong interest in those areas so that you can make better sense of the report. Remember that the world is your oyster. We hope that this quiz has helped you decide your choices. I wish for you a bright future ahead filled with hope and wonderment. Thank you.